Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoChart's YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to analyze the Tata stocks. Right. So, first stock is Tata Power. Now, if you look at the stock chart of Tata Power, you can see that the stock has a very strong support at around 200 rupees levels. So, if Tata Power breaks this 200 rupees levels, then we are going to go into stage 4 downtrend. So, stop loss for all long term and long-term and short-term investments for me would be at around 200 rupees. Closing below this would enable the downside much in a much higher way, right? So the second stock that is there on my radar is Tata Elxsi. So if you look at the chart of Tata Elxsi, if Tata Elxsi breaks this levels of around 6400 rupees or so, then the stock may head into the bear territory, as the stock will enter into stage 4 downtrend. So 64, I would say 6400 rupees would be the last line of support for this particular script, and any rise could be a selling opportunity in this case, right? So the third stock is Tata Chemicals. So Tata Chemicals has a very strong support at 797. Currently, if you look at the chart, then the stock is in a complete clear cut sideways zone. So as of now, there is no need to take any kind of worries about this particular script. The safest of the safest investors should exit below 800 rupees, and those who don't want to take much risks, then they can exit below the closing of 927 or 900 rupees. So there is an 100-point buffer for depending upon the risk that you can take. The fourth stock is Tata Steel. Now Tata Steel is in a sideways zone for from around 1 year or so. So if you look at the chart, then it is in a stage 3, and stock has very strong support at 1069 rupees or so, right? So now, moving forward, I'll talk about the algo that was deployed today. So today we faced a loss of around 5350 rupees due to the higher volatility. Now only few seats are left if you want to start with algo, and if you want to know more details, just check the previous video that it was shared, or check the I button. Now this strategy has had a win rate of around 50 to 60% even after taxes from the past 3 years, and the stock or the strategy has generated very great returns till now. And many people are there, those who have started to deploy it in their accounts. So tomorrow we'll have a testing for all the members, those who have already registered. Now the fifth stock that we are going to analyze is Tata Metallics, and now Tata Metallics is already in stage 4 downtrend. The downside will be much faster when the stock breaks this level. So around below 700 rupees, I think the stock can go to a very low levels of around 500 rupees or so. The next stock is Tata Coffee. So if you look at the chart of Tata Coffee, the stock has support at around 180 rupees or so, that is around 10% down. So till that time the stock is there in this range, I think so there is not an issue. If the stock breaks on the upper side, then one can pyramid, or swing traders can buy for the breakout, right? So the next stock is Tata Communication. If you look at the chart of Tata Communication, you will see the relative strength is negative, and the stock has already broken down from stage 4 or stage 3, and is already entered into stage 4. Stock can head up to 800 rupees as the first target, and the next target would be around 500 rupees if the trend continues. The next stock is Tata Motors. So Tata Motors is at the okay, this is Tata Motors DVR. So Tata Motors DVR is at the ultimate line of support at around 185 rupees, and currently no price action is as of buy signal right now. The next stock is Tata Motors again. So the stock has support at around 350 rupees or so. So I think so the stock has already given us a rejection at these levels, so the stock is in clear cut downtrend. And the next stock that is there is Tata Investments. So same structure, all the Tata stocks are behaving like same only. Now this is the line of support for this, and the stock is, or Tata Invest is forming a triangle like pattern. The next stock is Tata Consultancy is at the ultimate line of support, and below this the stock can head lower. This is one of the strongest IT stocks that is present, which has not broken down. Some of the, as most of the IT stocks have already entered into stage 4 downtrend. The next stock is TTML. So TTML, there is no use of buying or doing any kind of speculation, as the stock only trades in lower circuit or upper circuit. So it is better to stay away from TTML, as there is no, I mean, you're only wasting your money and time and efforts into this. So if you like the video, do share it with your friends, and if you want to subscribe to the algo, then use the payment link below. Only few seats are left for the discounted version. Currently we are having 500 rupees discount for setting up the algo, and all the strategy and the codes will be discussed. And this is suitable for only people with 8 lakh capital. Thank you.